So, today we're gonna be playing Slime Rancher. I've heard about Slime Rancher from a couple of my friends and I heard it's really good. I've already played this, so I know a little bit, well, quite a lot of it, and it's quite a fun game. It's really fun. 1,000 light years away from Earth, known as the Far Range. Carrots. And yes, it is pronounced carrot. Has a C, not K. Does carrot have a C in it? I don't know. It doesn't matter. Slimy, slimy, slimy. Pinky. Yee. Come here. Hi-ya. Hi-ya. Woo. Stop bouncing. No, eat, fatty, eat. Eat, fatty. I acquired a slime port. I'm gonna sell it for like 10 coins. 10 coins, yay! Alright, let's go find some slimes. Right, first on the riff. First on the holy yeah. That's the sound of money. Sweet, sweet money. Getting carrots. Aw, little chickie. Go away, die, chickie. No, no, stop it, no. These are mine, and I'm gonna start a beautiful farm, and you're not gonna have any of it, because you're worthless. So, okay, plorts. And, alright, let's try and fin- Got it. Do 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 do. No, idiot, no! Oh, hen, good. Aw, little chick. Die. Alright, now all you're gonna make me money, and you're gonna be very happy, and you're gonna love it, and you're just gonna love me, cause I'm gonna be your owner, and just money. No, go away, Casey. No one likes you. Sweet sound of money, money, money. Sorry, not sorry, go back. Doop-a-doo. You know what, 15 should do it. And chuck. No! Back here. Bed. Goodbye. Alright, now anyone who's unhappy in here is going to get fed. You're unhappy. Eat. You're unhappy. You're unhappy. You're unhappy. You're unhappy. You're unhappy. Up, a little bit of lad there. Doopity 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 doop. Right, that should be enough to afford the high walls. Air netto, yep, that's enough. You know, I can live with that. Meant to buy the high walls, but internet will work. I mean, you can only fit in so much, so. And you'll respawn somewhere else in the world. Oh wait. Alright. That was a really bad idea. I just realized I don't have any ports on me and I don't know where any rock slimes are. That was a really bad idea. Alright, anyone want to eat a carrot? You want to eat a carrot, so eat. Make me a port. Yay, got port. No, I need a Rocco. Where's a Rocco? Roccos are supposed to be right. Yep, Roccos are right here. Nut. Eat chicken. Forgot. They don't eat chicken. I can't make that. I'm gonna need something else. Caddy. Ooh, map. Ah, needed that. Chickadoo, more like chickadum. Tabby slimes, I hate them. And look, it's a Largo! It's a Largo! Dang it! Go away. Lords! That's a lot of pork. Done, go buy me some more thingy doodles. Can't even carry those. Go die. Go eat chicken doo. Okay. Now. Got that. That. Yay. Now you guys are big old pink vegetarians. And raw ports made me 15, I'm pretty sure. 32. I said go away. Oh, here we go now. Sorry about that. Main goal of the episode. Get a farm. That's the main goal. There we go. Yeah, that's a goal. That's goal ever. Go away. Go away. Go away. Gold slime. Come on. Yes! I just got a gold part. I just got a gold part. Get rich or die sliming. Gold ports sell for like 320 and I love it because that's a lot of money, moolah. 322. Alright, so that'll be the end of today's episode. I hope you had a good time and bye.